back to my channel. I'm Michaela if you're new here. So in today's video, I'm going to do a little unboxing. So if in a couple of videos before, I said that I had a Sephora gift card that I got from Christmas. And so I bought a couple of things. So I wanted to show you guys what I got and just kind of try things on and just give you my first impressions of the products I got. So I'm super excited to show you guys. Let's get into this video. Here's the box. Woo, yeah, let's open it. Alright, let's see what we got. Well, first things first, I got a couple like sample products. Because I think I had a couple of points, and you just get like you just get samples. So I got this I think it's a lip scrubber lip mask set. I also got this, what is this? An eye cream, a banana bright eye cream. And then lastly, I also got this this serum. And that was it for like the free samples that I got. And now on to the stuff that I'm super excited about. As I told you in what I got for Christmas video, I've been wanting to try Rare Beauty products, and so I bought the Rare Beauty foundation. I bought what is this one? This one is the liquid eyeshadow, StayVulnerable liquid eyeshadow. This is actually one of the newest products on her line, and so I really wanted to give that a shot and show you guys what I thought about it. And then I also I've been loving this mascara, Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Mascara. I love this mascara. I've been using it for a couple years now. And I sadly was using the trial size tube. I know, don't judge me. I'm finally investing in makeup, so I'm like, you know what, I need to get an actual large bottle. And then this is actually the sample. It's the Rare Beauty Glossy Lip Balm. And so I was like, oh, well, let's get a sample of this, and it's one of their newest products as well in her new line. So I wanted to give these products a try. So let's go try this makeup and see what I feel, because I'm a bit pale and it doesn't match my outfit. I need to completely match with some makeup on. Okay, so let's get out my makeup bag here. My Live Love Lash makeup bag, super cute. And let's get my sponge. I got a new sponge as well. It's I got it from TJ Maxx. Anybody else get their makeup sponges from TJ Maxx? I just won't spend I have $20 on a makeup sponge. I'm just gonna spend I'd rather spend $4. And it feels only just as good, so whatevs. Okay, so I got the 240W in Rare Beauty foundation. So first off, the packaging is nice. It's very, very simple. I guess I expected more. I didn't think it would be so simple, but who cares? It's very nice, very neat. That's all that matters. So let's open it up and see. I hope it matches. I don't know, because I did the generator online because they don't have it in store. So I just did a generator based off my old foundation. But that foundation was a bit light, so I'm kind of I don't know. We'll see. We will see. Ooh, cute. Actually, the inside has this really cute mauve color. Ooh, I like the packaging. This is cute. So first off, I actually really do like this package. It's very, I don't know, it's very unique. I've never seen something like this before. And I have seen a few videos where the people do say that you need a little bit, you need a lot, it goes a long way. Oh yeah, it's very watery consistency to it, and it has this little so I have a cute little knob. This is interesting. I've never seen something like this before. This is so interesting. So we're gonna let's see how this goes. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out. I'm using a mirror right here if you are wondering what I'm looking at. I already put on some concealer, and so, because I didn't buy the concealer because I already had some, but let's do this. Let's do it. I don't know what to expect. How to apply this. but I'm just gonna dot it. It already feels super light, like it's not super heavy. Sometimes like foundation can be super heavy, but this actually feels really light. I don't know if I put enough, but that's okay, we're just gonna go for it. Ooh. I think it looks really good. I actually really like this. It's super light. It doesn't feel like I have actually like a lot on at all. And I do think I did get the right color because I was like unsure. And so that's actually really nice that it just melts in my skin and it makes my skin really even. Yeah, it's like a kind of a yellowy, a little bit yellowy undertone it feels like a little bit. But so far, I'm actually really liking this. It feels like it just melts into my skin. Wow. And the avocado was like super easy to use. And I didn't expect that. I'd never seen an avocado like that before. So actually, so far, so good. Okay, all right, so now that I have the face, I'm gonna do the blush. Yeah, let's do the blush now. So the blush that I'm using is Bliss, and it's like I think it's like that like liquid, also the liquid, and I really want another color. I wanted to get the color Love, but it was sold out. I'm like, okay, whatever. I'm just not gonna like buy another one when I don't want the other colors. But this is really nice. It's a nice pinky. It's very natural. And I also feel like I love that it's buildable too. It still works. Oh, and it dries really fast. Like I'm like, oh crap, I have to. Yeah, I think I'll be happy with more pink on that side. And so I love that it's buildable. Yeah. I love this natural pink color. Okay, so now that I have the blush, let's do the eyes. Let's do the eyes, guys. I am so excited to try this new product. Okay, so her new line, she has a liquid eyeshadow. It's called the StayVulnerable Liquid Eyeshadow Nearly Mauve. It says the waterproof liquid to powder eyeshadow that delivers effortless blending and smooth crease resistant color. Whoa, that was a mouthful, but it sounds great. Let's give it a shot. I did watch Selena, she did a video on the mauve color, and this is so cute. I love the packaging. There's so many cute details. When you open it, it has like, you are rare. Isn't that cute? Selena thinks of everything. Oh my goodness. All right. Ooh. Oh, this is so pretty. I love this packaging. This is such a pretty package. So once again, this is the cutest little package I've ever seen, and I love this color. I'm so excited. Okay, so I watched the video on how to do it, and again, this is buildable. So I'm just gonna do like a thin layer. She says start at the lash line and go, and then you can blend it up. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. This is so pretty. And it honestly, like, it really does exactly what the box said. It just blends in, it soaks it up, just like goes into your skin so nicely. And I love the color. It's very, I guess, matte, but also like bit more than the other. Okay, so now onto mascara. The packaging is gorgeous. So I really love this mascara because not only does it give me like length, it also gives me volume. And it looks super natural but also glam as well, and I'm all about the glam. I mean look at that. Mascara, no mascara. My eye was super long, super glam looking. I feel like you don't need that many coats. It coats it really nicely. I fitted a few more coats on this. I'm gonna separate a little bit. Long, it extends it, makes it voluminous. I love this mascara. Can't believe I waited this long to actually get like a full-size product. What is wrong with me? Okay, so last thing I want to show you guys is Selena did her new line of the glossy lip balm. I got the Newly Neutral. Well, I got the sample of Newly Neutral, so I'm just gonna give it a shot to show you guys. I'm not a huge. I'm interested in like. I guess I'm interested in a gloss that's like a lip balm. That's what's interesting to me. So it says that it's a luxurious hydrating lip gloss that delivers high shine color with a cushioned feel of balm. This writing, love it. Okay, so it's adorable. Okay, so let's just see. Let's give it a shot. Let's give it a shot. Oh my gosh, I love it. I did not think I was gonna like this. It really does. It's so smooth, and it really is. It feels like I'm putting on some. It feels like I'm putting on a lip balm, but I love that it gives you like the natural color. It's so silky and smooth. Oh my goodness! Like the video does not give it justice. Her new line of lip balm, lip gloss thing, whatever you want to call it. Highly recommend. I also love this too. Okay, and this is the final product. What do you guys think? I think it looks so natural. I honestly feel really like polished though, and like natural polish, and also really glam. Like I feel really good, and it looks great, and it was so easy to use. I feel like this would take me probably 5 minutes. Like I could just whip it up. What just happened? Whip it out. I could just whip this out of my bag when I'm just trying to run to work, and I think I would look bomb. I can't wait tomorrow to go to work, put on this eyeshadow, and just rocking it. No one can see me, but I'll be rocking it with these eyes. I'm not the greatest, but I feel like a novice like me, I can do this. I can work with this. So thank you, Selena, for hooking me up. All right, so I hope you guys like this video. If you enjoy me doing, I guess, like reviews and trying on products, please comment down below with me anything else that you would recommend. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.